Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the Slim Pen 2 for Microsoft Surface.
Let's dive right in.
The Slim Pen 2 boasts an array of features designed to enhance your digital creativity and productivity.
From its advanced pressure sensitivity to its innovative graphite nib, this stylus pen offers a seamless experience for Surface users.
First up, let's talk about precision. With 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, the Slim Pen 2 ensures fine control and accuracy, allowing you to sketch, write, and annotate with ease. Whether you're an artist or a note-taker, you'll appreciate the fluid ink flow and minimal latency. Worried about accidental palm touches?
Fear not.
The Slim Pen 2 features palm rejection technology, ensuring that only your stylus input is registered on the screen.
Say goodbye to frustrating interruptions during your creative sessions. Now, let's talk about convenience.
With its Type-C charging port, the Slim Pen 2 offers quick and easy charging, giving you up to 66 hours of use on just 1 hour of charging. And with its Smart Standby feature, you can rest assured that your pen will conserve power when not in use. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of the Slim Pen 2 is its wide compatibility.
Whether you're using a Surface Pro, Surface Go, Surface Book, or Surface Studio, this pen has you covered. Plus, it even works with select touchscreen devices from other manufacturers. And let's not forget about Bluetooth functionality. Pair your Slim Pen 2 with your device and unlock a world of shortcuts. From opening Microsoft Whiteboard to controlling PowerPoint presentations, this stylus puts productivity at your fingertips. In conclusion, the Slim Pen 2 for Microsoft Surface is a versatile tool that combines precision, convenience, and compatibility. Whether you're a professional artist or a busy student, this stylus pen is sure to elevate your digital experience. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time,
Happy creating!